Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today, we're going to show you how to hide a group chat on Messenger without leaving it, step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Scroll through your chats to find the group chat you want to hide. Step 3. Press and hold on the group chat until a menu pops up. Step 4. From the menu options, tap Archive. This will move the group chat out of your main chat list, effectively hiding it. Now that the chat is hidden, let's talk about how to access it if you need to. Step 5. Tap the 3 lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top left corner of the Messenger app. Step 6. From the menu, tap Archive Chats. Here, you'll find all the chats you've archived, including the group chat you just hid. If you ever want to bring the group chat back to your main list, here's what you do. Step 7. Go to Archive Chats by following the previous steps. Step 8. Locate the group chat you want to bring back. Step 9. Press and hold on the group chat until a menu appears. Step 10. Tap Unarchive. The group chat will now reappear in your main chat list. And that's it. You've successfully hidden and restored a group chat on Messenger without leaving it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.